2026, the Tricycle camper has emerged as a revolutionary blend of eco-conscious travel and minimalistic living. As urban spaces become more congested and sustainability takes center stage, adventurers and nomads alike are turning to compact, pedal-powered solutions to explore the world. The Tricycle camper, a hybrid between a sturdy cargo trike and a lightweight micro-camper, embodies this new era of freedom. Constructed with carbon fiber and aluminum frames, these trikes are surprisingly durable while remaining light enough for long-distance pedaling. The camper units are typically crafted from recycled composite materials, offering excellent insulation, weather resistance, and a sleek, modern design. Solar panels line the roof, generating power for lights, USB ports, a small fan, and even a mini fridge in some advanced models. Inside, clever fold-out furniture provides a sleeping area, a small desk, and storage space, making the most of every inch. In cities, the Tricycle camper is a game changer. Its narrow footprint allows it to glide through bike lanes and park in compact spaces, bypassing many of the restrictions that burden traditional RVs or vans. For digital nomads, it offers the flexibility to live off-grid while staying mobile. A fold-out canopy and portable stove can quickly turn any rest stop into a cozy kitchen or creative workspace. With the rise of 5G and satellite internet options, staying connected on the road has never been easier. Beyond practicality, there's a growing cultural movement around tricycle campers. Enthusiasts gather at festivals and retreats, celebrating a lifestyle focused on freedom, self-sufficiency, and low environmental impact. Some customize their campers with artistic flair, vibrant paint, upcycled wood panels, or living plant walls. Others focus on ultralight speed, reducing every gram to extend their range. The 2026 models offer improved gearing, enhanced electric assist motors, and modular add-ons. Riders can attach water filtration systems, cargo pods, or even pet enclosures. The goal is adaptability, whether for a cross-country journey, urban stealth camping, or weekend retreats into nature. As climate change accelerates and people seek alternatives to high-cost living and fuel consumption, the Tricycle camper stands at the intersection of necessity and innovation. It's not just a vehicle, it's a lifestyle choice, a statement of values, and a doorway to experiences that don't rely on excess. For many, 2026 marks not just the rise of a trend, but the dawn of a quiet, rolling revolution.